viesa o. Manura pomena o. Orere viesa. Urobo kokole ogbale. Urobo e. Orere viesa. Obo urobo jebe na sofa jeba tiaye. Edafa meri akpo ta urobo meware. Urobo e. Orere viesa o. Arioma uroba Ww. Ikpakome migwe o. Urobo wado. Me gonna talk about Ibieta Re V W Y and Z. Mi wokwe Ibieta Ww. I want to talk about letter V, W, X, and Y, Z, which is Z, to conclude the alphabets in Urhobo today. Letter V and how it sounds. Letter V sound as V, Va, Ve, Vi, Vo, Vu. E.g. Va, busha. Va, to shout at someone. Ve, to prize. Ve again, to promise. Ve, to bend. Vo, to fetch, e.g. water. Von, full. Vwin, vwe, tell him or her. Tell him or her. Vwe. Vọko, phiyọ, uyobvwin. Vọko, phiyọ, uyobvwin. Knock his head or give him a conk on his head. Now, I want to go to letter W. Ibieta Ww mran. Ibieta W Ww mran. Wa, that is W, is pronounced as wa. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. E.g. of letter W, we have wa, you guys. Wa, you guys. Where, you. Muophu-u, don't be offended. Where are you? Wene, change. Water down if you try it. Let me give some sentences, though I've already given some, but I just have to. Wanya, be going. Where because jowo, you please stop. Womi juwe rien. Please let me know. Womi juwe rien. Please let me know. When you go nakere, change the money for me. Wodawere mamọ, you tried a lot. Letter Y. Y sound as ya, ye, yi, yo, you. E.g. Ya, be going. Yara, go. Ya, walk. Ya, walk. Ya, walk. Yare, come. Yere, greet him. Yere, climb. Yoro, bay pond or water. To bay pond or water. Yoro. That is yoramena, bay the pond. Yoramena, bay the pond. Yoro, hold it. Some sentences, which are Yariobone, come this way. Yare tine, come here. Yere kere, greeting for me. Yoramena, bail the water. Yoro kere, hold it for me. Then I think I should end the letter Y there and go to letter Z. Alphabet letter Z. Z sound as za, ze, ze, zi, zo, z, zoo. E.g. of letter Z. Zago, scatter. Zabu zabu, very rough. Ze, sacrifice. Zomare is used to me. Zomare is used to me. Let me give some sentences about this letter Z. Zago kufia, scatter am throway. Scatter am throway. Zago kufia. Wawa zabu zabu, you are very rough. Miye ze ize, I'm going to make sacrifice. Izewo mare, I'm used to them. That is here I'm going to end the alphabets for today. So, as you already know, I have all the alphabets from letter A to letter Z in my YouTube. So, if you want to follow it all if you want to follow the letter, that is alphabets from letter A to Z, just keep on reading most of my posts on YouTube. You will get to know all the alphabets and how to study them. I bet you, if you can study them from A to Z and give this if you have this Z and give that your attention to it, you will be able to know these alphabets even far better than I am. Thank you very much. As you subscribe to my YouTube channel, if you have not done that, you have to do it, because I'm doing this just for you and for me. Urhobo must be great again, and we are going somewhere. That place we must get to. Urhobo orere viesao. But though I end my alphabet here today, in our next class we'll talk about something else, or maybe I give that one to you as an assignment. See you guys. I love you. Bye.